Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to link your WordPress gallery images to any page or URL so your images don't just look great. They actually guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go. First, let's start with adding an image. Open your post or page editor and insert an image block. You can either upload a new image or select one from your existing media library. Once your image is in place, look at the toolbar above the block. You'll see a small link icon. It looks like a chain. Click on it. Now, this is where the magic happens. Paste the URL of the page or website you want your image to link to. This could be another page on your site, an external website, or even a specific blog post. After pasting the URL, make sure you hit enter or click the apply button to confirm the link. Finally, don't forget to update or publish your post. And that's it. When visitors click on your image, they'll be taken directly to the linked page. It's a simple trick that makes your website more interactive and user-friendly. Linking your images like this is perfect for creating navigation, promoting products, or just making your site more engaging. Give it a try and you'll see how much more dynamic your WordPress post can become. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to try it out and see the difference it makes on your site.